Welcome to DJ's Prestige. We've just acquired this Mercedes GLA diesel AMG Sport line. Lovely condition, finished in black, AMG alloy wheels. The car has just literally arrived, so we are going to refurbish those. And it's got privacy glass to the rear, full AMG body styling. A bigger, deeper diffuser with twin exhausts. Electric tailgate, boot area is in lovely condition, as you can see, not being knocked about or abused, with a rear parcel shelf. All our cars are videoed and pictured outside here. We do for viewing. They are all inside our showroom. And as you can see, the seats are in lovely condition. Got the half leather Alcantara red stitch piping. Electric windows, electric mirrors. Inside the car, you can see it's got satellite navigation. We've got paddle shift on the gearbox, multifunction steering wheel, cruise control. I believe this has a rear camera as well. Yep, reverse camera as well. Climate control. Great value for money. You don't see really many around under £10,000 at DJH with full dealer facilities, including finance, warranty and part exchange. If you require any further information, please give us a call 07503 751 005. Thank you.